Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Love Yourself. Happy New Year. I wish you and your family a very prosperous New Year ahead. सो टाइटल से आपको पता चल गया होगा, आज एक मिनी सा हॉल करने वाली हूँ उन प्रोडक्ट्स की जिसको मैं खरीदना चाहती थी पिछले साल बहुत. लाइक आई वॉज आइंग देम फॉर रियली 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 लॉन्ग टाइम एंड समहाउ और द अदर कभी कभी मैं खुद को कन्विंस कर लेती कि नहीं शाइनी अभी तुमको नहीं खरीदना. बहुत प्रोडक्ट्स खरीद लिया, बहुत सारे हॉल दिखाए थे ना मैंने आपको पिछले साल, तो मैंने खुद को कभी कभी कन्विंस ये बोल के कर लिया कि नहीं शाइनी बहुत पैसे खर्च लिए, अब नहीं खर्चना. कभी कभी वो सेल पे नहीं मिलते थे, मोस्ट ऑफ देम कभी सेल पे रहते ही नहीं थे, कभी कभी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाते थे, बहुत सारे रीजंस होते थे. बट फाइनली मैंने सोचा क्या करना यार, खरीद ही लेते हैं ये सब चीज़ें बिकॉज आई वॉज आइंग देम फॉर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम अगेन. So without wasting any more time of yours, let's jump into the video. Talking about the first product, this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Oh my god, मुझे पता नहीं है मैं कितने सालों से इसके बारे में सुन रही हूँ. आई गेस 4-5 years right now. पहले दिस वॉज नॉट अवेलेबल इन इंडिया, उसके बाद जब अवेलेबल हो गया उसके बाद से एवरी टाइम किसी भी व्लॉगर को मैं देखती थी दे आर शोइंग दिस प्रोडक्ट, आई यूज टू क्रेव फॉर इट बट इट वॉज एक्सपेंसिव. सो फिर कभी कभी सेल में नहीं आता था, बट दिस टाइम आई गॉट इट इन अ सेल, लाइक मुझे डिस्काउंट मिला. सो दिस इज दिस प्रोडक्ट. आई हैवेंट यूज्ड इट, आई डोंट नो हाउ इट, लाइक कैसे इसका कवरेज देता है एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. I'm surely gonna do a full face of first impression and surely tell you guys. I got the shade in I guess neutralizer. Yes, I have for this 150 neutralizer shade over here. I really do not know, I haven't bought it local stores, I bought it from Nykaa. So really excited to use this product. Talking about the next product, it's a product from the house of Color Bar. So I haven't used a lot of products from this makeup brand, but I have heard a really good things about this foundation. So this is a Color Bar 24 hours weightless liquid foundation. Yes, I haven't used it, but I'm really excited to try this. I bought the shade FW 2.4 and the best thing which I found जब मेरे पास आया is the packaging. The packaging is like Chummeshwari packaging, and you know this is like a tube packaging, so what we expect it to be squeezy, right? But no, they have given a pump over here and look at the luxury. I love this product and really looking forward to use this product. Talking about the third product is from the house of NYX. This is my first purchase of NYX and I have heard so many good reviews about this product, and also people compare this product with the Benefit brow gel. So this is their tinted brow mascara. This is how the product look like. I got it in the shade brunette, so this is how it looks like. Why I went for it, क्योंकि अभी मेरे बालों का कलर भी चेंज हो गया है, so इसीलिए मैंने इसको ले लिया. The next product is not a huge product, but I was really eyeing on this product for a really long time, which is this Miss Claire eyelash glue dark tone. This is in the shade black. So I was really looking for it क्योंकि you know after wearing eyelashes the makeup look just changes. कोई भी makeup look बनाओ, eyelash पहन लो, it will surely change. So I was eyeing on this product from really long time. So finally I got it and I haven't used it yet. I will tell you soon. Talking about the next product, I got this blusher from K Beauty. This is their matte enriched with avocado plus mango butter. Oh my god, I have reviewed the loose setting powder, right? I loved it. If you want to check the full review, you can just go ahead and click here and you can get the review. Look at the packaging, you guys. I'm just loving their packaging. And I got it in the shade, what's Sugar Candy. I think it's a orangish kind of blusher. Oh my god, I just love this shade and I'm really looking forward to use this. The last makeup product that I got is like right now my favorite. It's not a new product but the shade is new. It's the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I guess they have changed the packaging. पहले shade यहाँ पे लिखा रहता था, अभी इधर लिखा है. Obviously the pump is also there and इसमें लिखा है foundation with clay. The last foundation that I have, which is in the shade I guess 240 or something like that, I don't remember, उसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ है. So I'm really excited to try this shade because you know सर्दी आ गई है, tanning थोड़ी सी हट जाती है, तो इसीलिए मैंने एक लाइटर शेड भी ले लिया इसका. So these are all makeup stuffs that I got. All of this are from Nykaa because they sell authentic products. That is the reason I got everything from there. And now talking about tools. Now if you have seeing me for a really long time और अगर आप मेरे पुराने सब्सक्राइबर हो तो आपको पता है कि मेरे पास मेकअप ब्रशेस नहीं है. I only have one makeup brush जिसको मैं आई मेकअप के लिए यूज करती हूँ. But I wanted to try makeup brushes for a really long time. But you know all makeup brushes are hell expensive. I wanted to try the Real Technique one. But वो तो छोड़ ही दो, मेरे बजट के क्या, मेरे बाहर ही है, मेरे औकात के ही बाहर है. तो मैंने सोचा कि मुझे कुछ मेकअप ब्रशेस चाहिए ना. वेन एवर आई वॉज चेकिंग एनी मेकअप ब्रशेज ऑनलाइन दे आर हेल एक्सपेंसिव. मतलब 300-400 के नीचे तो कोई मेकअप ब्रश आता ही नहीं है. सो वट आई डिड इज आई वेंट टू अ नियरेस्ट शॉप ऑफ माइन एंड आई बॉट 4 ब्रशेज फ्रॉम देयर एंड अभी तक आई हैवंट यूज देम but I think they are good enough. So I got these 4 makeup brushes. This includes this eye brush. It's a blending brush, blush brush, this eye brush, this eye brush. I'll show you one by one. So this is this blending brush, eyeshadow blending brush. This retails rupees 160, but obviously they have given me some discount. So I think I got it from 140 or something like that. This is from the brand called Vega. Eye brush that I have is this one. This I don't know what to call it. So this looks like something like this. This retails rupees 199. I surely have got some discount again. The next brush is this angled brush. I'm not opening this packaging. This retails rupees, its price not mentioned. And the last one is this blush brush which looks awesome. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ how it looks like. I'm just dying to use it. And this retails rupees, I don't know how much. I guess somewhere around 150. Yes, it retails 220. मतलब लिखा है 220, but I think they took 150 rupees from my end. So yes, these are the all things which I bought and I was eyeing them for really long time. I don't know how they will turn out to be. सच में नहीं पता कैसे निकलेंगे, but I am really dying to use them. So that's all for my today's video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Meet you guys in the next video. Till then, you all take care, stay beautiful, and keep loving yourself because you know, right? That's the most beautiful thing that you can do to yourself. Bye.